Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and welcome to episode 2 of Widget Wednesday. Now this is the series where we look at widget packs, different applications that can help out with widgets, and today we're looking at Trident 3. Now this widget pack is available for both Zupa and also KWGT, and that's the application that I'm going to be using it with today, so let's take a look. So with Trident 3, you're going to be getting around 64 widgets and more are going to be added on a regular basis. There were some added on the 5th of February and then again on the 17th of February, so you can see that they do update it on quite a regular basis. You're also going to have 63 wallpapers included with the widget pack itself, and I would definitely recommend checking these out. Some of them look really nice and they're also going to work really well with the actual widgets themselves, which is kind of the point of including them in the actual widget pack. Now Trident 3 is also the original place where I was able to find the Pixel 2 widgets, so that's going to be both the calendar and also the search bar, and I've done a full dedicated video on that which will be linked in the description down below. Now as you can see from the widgets that I'm showing off in this video, a lot of them are going to be white and also very thin lines, so I wouldn't recommend having a very busy or a very light wallpaper, as you're not really then going to be able to actually see the widget itself. Not that that really makes too much difference, because using Zupa and also KWGT, it allows you to actually go in and change the widget to exactly how you want it to look. If you want to add or take away elements or change any of the colours or sizing, then you've got the option to do so. But overall, Trident has been a really awesome series in regards to widgets. Now this one here is Trident 3, so there has been a 1 and a 2 before it, and again they're going to be linked in the description down below, and they were some of the first widget packs that I really tried to play around with on Android. But if you're looking for a really awesome widget pack that's going to complement your setup, Trident 3 has got you covered. You've got some really bold, colourful widgets, but you've also then got some thinner lined widgets that I personally prefer, and they look really nice on AMOLED screens and also with slightly desaturated or darker wallpapers. As always, links to everything that I've talked about in today's video are going to be in the description down below, but for the meantime that is going to do it guys for this video. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave it a thumbs up down below, and as always, if you've got any widget packs or applications you want me to take a look at in the future, then let me know in the comments section down below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks, so Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which are linked down below, and also down there you will find the subscribe button, and if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. I'm going to be uploading a ton more content here on the channel, and also then don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified anytime I post a new video. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.